All right, most amazing artist, we're gonna make a turkey. You're gonna draw yours with pencil first. I'm gonna do mine with Sharpie so you can see it really good up on the screen. We're gonna start with a circle shape, but we're not gonna finish the circle shape because we wanna add that U where his neck's coming down. Let's start with the circle, kind of in the middle. If I was gonna fold the page in half, then I would get a line in the middle. I would want my turkey to kind of come above that line. So we're gonna make, nope, I'm not doing that. I'm just making a circle for his head. I'm leaving some room at the top for the feather. And then I'm gonna make a little U shape right here. That's where his neck's coming down. I'm gonna give him 2 eyes. If you wanna make the eyes with the Sharpie right away, you can. Or you can come back later and go over it with Sharpie. Then switch back to your pencil for his beak. What shape is the beak? Triangle. So I start the triangle with a line at the top and put a little dot underneath, and then I connect to that dot with the pencil. You're gonna do the pencil. Turkeys have those little things that hang down. What do you call this?
Squiggly thing.
Do you know what that's called? And so I do that with a little triangle, and then a little smile shape, and then a wavy line that kind of connects them.
Wait, do we use the Sharpie with the eyes?
Just for the eyes, and then switch back to your pencil. That way you can erase something. The body is going to be a big circle that goes around. So we start on one side, come all the way around, and then finish on this side. It could be more of an oval or more of a circle, your choice. His legs have this U shape for one and a U shape for the other with a line that comes down. So that line that comes down has 3 little pokes. What are these called?
Feet.
Or-
Feet.
What kind of feet do the turkeys have? They have bird-like feet, right?
Yeah.
With claws. And if I want his leg to be a little bit bigger, I'm going to come up on the same line, but come out a little bit. Come up on the same line, but come out a little bit. He gets a little feather for his head, for his hair. Little feather for his hair.
Little one.
And then a big feather goes behind him.
Wow, that's cool.
Then I'm going to make one that goes here, like towards the corner of the page. And another U that goes towards this corner of the page.
Wow.
Then I think I have room for 2 U's here and 2 U's here. And if you have another room, like over here, you could do another one. Or if you like it just like this, you could do just that. Or you can add another one if you want. Your choice. If you mess up on anything, you have lots of choices. You can erase it and make it, start it over. You can think of something creative to add to change it up a little bit. Or you can change it around a little bit. Okay, next step is to outline with Sharpie. So trace every line that you made that you want to keep with Sharpie. Any lines that you want to change, you can change it when you do the Sharpie. After that, you're going to watercolor. Boys and girls, do you remember where the magic is? This is actually not watercolor, it's tempera cakes. Where's the magic?
I don't know. Is there any magic
The
here?
magic is in the water. So this is how it goes. Water, paint, paper. Water, paint, paper. Water, paint, paper. That's how we do it. That's where's the magic. water paint paper. To make it look more rounded, I'm just going to do water on the inside, brown on the outside, water paint paper. If I paint the turkey brown and then I do his beak, what's going to happen? The color is going to go into the water. So I'm going to let it dry for a minute before I do that step. If I want to make it darker, I'm going to add more dark on the outside because that's going to also make him look more rounded. And some of that color will go into the lighter parts. So I'm going to go back around with just some darker, just the brown this time. Since it's all wet, that will work out pretty nicely. Maybe go under his neck to make some shadow under the neck. The fun part is turkey feathers can be the warm fall colors like red and yellow and orange. It looks better if I do 2 colors on every feather. So I could do warm colors. Do I have to do warm colors? No, because turkeys actually have they don't have a lot of the cool colors, but they do sometimes have a little bit of green. And green looks really good with the warm color yellow. You can start, you can do the Sharpie. So it goes pencil, Sharpie, and then paint. So if you're ready for the paint, you can start. They might even have a little blue. Water, paint, paper, 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 water, paint, paper. I pick colors that are next to each other on the rainbow. Green and yellow are next to each other on the rainbow. Yellow and orange are next to each other on the rainbow. Orange is next to red on the rainbow. Purple is next to blue on the rainbow. It's also next to red, so I could do red or I could do blue next to purple. But I definitely want to pick colors that are next to each other on the rainbow because that just looks a little bit better.
It looks more
Pink, yeah, pink. You could do pink.
Pink's not in the rainbow.
All right, next step is I have real leaves that I took from outside this morning. And I have warm fall colors, red, yellow, and orange. I'm gonna put the leaf under. This is one of your options. I put the leaf under, I feel the veins, then I get my crayon and I roll it where the leaf is. I can feel it goes down. And I like 2 fall colors on it, so I'm gonna pick another fall color. Then I'm gonna put this somewhere else, maybe right here. Orange. No, don't do that. That's only for emergencies. Orange and yellow leaves look really pretty together. Maybe I'm gonna put some on each corner. One right here. You can try different leaves. That's how it looks with the yellow. You have to keep it flat to make it work. This way.
I need to cut them. Where do I get the red?
The paint color? Here, you can take that one. And you can take that one. If you want to add like a little bit of green in, you can. Mona. Okay, remember I said another option. What was the other option you have?
splash paint. Oh wait,
Splash paint. So the way that you do that is you pick up a color that you want. I got the paint, and watch what I'm going to do with the pencil. If you're doing this one, you can only do 2 colors. So I'm doing red. I can pick one more color, maybe yellow or maybe orange. And then I'm done, except for I need to do the beak. You could do that with crayon or you can do it with paint. If you don't want it to bleed, I would do it with crayon. If you want it to blend into the turkey a little bit and be a little bit messy, you can do it with paint. Then I put my art on the rack. I do my job. I wash my hands. I hang up my smock.